Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share you the procedure on how to buy hosting from Hostinger. Okay, let me be honest with you guys, the process is very easy, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you an amazing coupon code plus a discount link through which you can get amazing discount while buying hosting from Hostinger. And yes, of course, I'm going to tell you how you can buy hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do, you have to click on the link in the description, which is like this. Once you click on that link, you will be entitled to a page like this. You can see that Hostinger got amazing reviews with 4.6 as on Trustcore, Google 4.8, hosted device 4.5, WP Beginner at 4.7, making it one of the most preferred hosting company. Very few companies are able to achieve such great ratings on review websites. And you can see that they have data centers all around the world. Their web hosting, WordPress hosting, and cloud hosting plans you can host in USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, and Netherlands. So various of European locations plus your USA, UK, France, uh, and India, Singapore. So they also have their all-in-one website solution, and you can see that their reviews, they have emphasized a lot on maximizing their website speed. You can see that they have one of the fastest website speed loading service along with their light speed web server technology. They have 24/7 support. They already have 1.5 million website owners. That is soon going to be converted to 1.6 million. They have advanced security features including DDoS attacks with Cloudflare protected name servers to prevent your website from DDoS attacks. They have automatic backups, and they also have a malware scanner which continuously try to scan your website for any issues or errors. They also provide free migration service. So in case if you are coming from another hosting company, the procedure to transfer their website is very easy, and they have a tool. All you have to do is send a request over there, and the agents will help you on doing the transfer for you. You can see the featured client stories as well. Now the procedure is you can select the hosting from over here. You can select whatever hosting you are going to choose. In case if you're looking for web hosting, choose here. In case if you're looking for cloud hosting, choose here. WordPress hosting over here, and hosting for professionals over here. But I recommend you to offer web hosting. Even if you are going to buy WordPress hosting, you can buy the web hosting, because in web hosting you can also use WordPress. And see that they offer 3 plans in web hosting, and all of the plans are WordPress optimized with managed WordPress in all of the plans. You can see that all of the 3 plans are good. The only difference is that the single plan has a single website to host. There is not a free domain, and you just have a one free email account to use. But in these 2 plans you have unlimited emails to use. You can host up to 100 websites. You are getting a free domain here as well. But also there's a difference that in this premium plan you are getting weekly backups, in the business plan you are getting daily backups. So again, it's all up to your personal preference on whatever is your requirement. So now let's say we are going with the premium web hosting. What you have to do, you have to select the add to cart option over here. Once you select the add to cart option over here, you are being redirected to another page. Okay, here you can see the summary. Again, because you clicked on that special link, you are getting an amazing offer. You can see the summary: 100 websites, unlimited traffic, 24/7 support, free SSL, 99.9% uptime guarantee, weekly backups, 100 GB SSD storage, Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanners. You can see that in 12, 24, and 48 months you are getting a free domain, and the 48 months save you the most with 3 months free. But let's say we are going with a 12 months plan right now, and you can see that in case if you do not have a account, you can create a new account by writing your email or synchronize with your Facebook or Google account by clicking this button, and you can easily synchronize. Hostinger offers multiple payment methods to choose. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So any plan you are going to choose, and you have multiple payment method options to choose. Once you finalize your payment method choose, you have to select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video as well, and press the apply button. Once you write this coupon code, you see that you got a further reduction on that price. So it's a win-win situation for anyone looking to get 2 deals, 2 discount. You can find the coupon in the description of this video. And now write your name and billing details and submit the secure button over here. So yeah, the buying procedure from Hostinger is fair, quick, and easy, and I've just shown you how you can do it one for your hosting needs. And best of all is that Hostinger hosting comes with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence for any case or any issue. They are happy to refund all of your payment within 30 days. So yeah, my experience so far is very good with Hostinger, which is why I recommend anyone to opt for Hostinger. Good luck buying your hosting with Hostinger.